I am Dr.R.Suganya, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today we are going to see about the comments and variables. So here in design thinking stage, about empathize is to understand about the user's needs, about their problems and experiences in their programming knowledge. And in define stage, um, it is analyzed and organized it, for the purpose is to identify the statements to be solved. Okay, and here we have like comments in C. So first thing is the comments are notes for humans, right? So they help explain the code and make it easier to read. So the if we are writing some coding, we have to write in the comments that in order the user have to understand the particular meaning of the coding. Okay, the coding statement should be understood by the humans. Okay, so in order to write that comments, we are going to temporarily disable the coding while testing. Okay, so the comments can be in single line or multi-line comments. Okay, so single line comments can be used like with slash with star and followed by star and slash. Okay, single line comment. So let us see the single line comment starts with two forwarded slashes. Okay, so slash double slashes with and any text between the slash and the end of the line is ignored by the compiler. This example is used as a single line comment before a line of code. Okay, so here we have this is a single comment. Okay, so any text which is being followed with the slash comments. Okay, so printf, and within the double quotations um, we have the statement followed by semicolon. Okay, and next comments are multiple line comments. So multi-line comment starts with slash star and end with star slash. So any text between slash star and star slash will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, so multi-line comment starts with slash star and ends with star slash. Okay, so it is always ignored by the compiler, and that is just like when we the programmer or the another user needs to know what is the statement is for, what is the coding is for, or what is the line is for. Okay, so that the user can understand the particular coding, what it does inside the particular C programming language. Okay, and next comes the example here. So here we can see the another set of statements for comments like slash star ending with star slash. Okay, so the code below will print the words hello world to the screen, and it is amazing. Okay, so the printf hello world, here it is one of the coding, one a part of statement of the code of C programming. So here what it actually does is being given in the comment. Okay, so in the followed by like slash star and for ending with star slash. Okay, so the code below will print the words hello world to the screen, and it is very amazing to see this. Okay, so printf hello world will be the particular what is the statement. Okay, and so this is like this, we can have many comments inside the particular one program. Okay, one program can contains many comments. Okay, single line comments or multi-line comments. So next comes the variables. So the variables are containers for storing the data values like numbers and characters. So we can think of a variable as named box where we keep a value that can be used later. So it can be like integer, float, or character. The integer can be 123 or minus 123. Float can be like storing numbers with decimals, and characters can be like within the single quotations. Okay, so the characters are surrounded by single quotations. Okay, and next comes to create a variable, we must specify the type and give the variable a name. So we can also assign a value at the same time. Okay, syntax starts with the type. Okay, type is a particular data syntax, okay, and followed by the variable name is equal to value. Okay, so type is a variable data type. It could be like integers or float or anything it could be. Okay, so type is like a data type. It is a syntax. Okay, that is syntax can also be said as a format, and then variable name is equal to value. So any variable name can hold a value. We can say it will always hold a particular value. So format specifier here, it is like printf functions to print the variable. So whatever thing variable is, it has to be printed using the printf statement. Okay, so the format specifier always starts with the percentage sign followed by the letter. Okay, so percentage d is surrounded by the double quotation. So as we have seen like a printf. Okay, it could be inside the printf functions, the double quotations. Okay, so here we have um, the variable name which is being holding a particular value. So here example is given, int is the data type and my num as variable name is equal to 15 as a value. So it is given in the single comment. So it is for the for particular programmer or user who wants to know what it is. So my num is 15. So variable name which holds the value 15. My next is my number is equal to 10. So here given in the comment for the user for understanding. And also we have like multiple variables, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 6, z is equal to 50, and which is followed by the printf percentage d, that is x plus y plus z. So percentage d is, you know, that it is indicating the integer. Okay, and here is mind map of intro in C programming, like about the comments, meaning noting notes added to explain the code. Okay, mainly the comment is like the notes added to explain the code. The purpose is to improve the readability, explaining the logic, help during the debugging. And there are some types of comments. We have seen single line comment, multiple line comments. And about variables, we have like integer, float, character, double, and how we can assign the value for declaring the variable, and also the data types for integers, decimals, and also we have large integers too. Okay, and thank you.